So you put on your shoes and socks, you blast that incredible bongo, and you take position thinking that you're gonna create a kick-ass variation that's gonna help you win that next battle, get that big paycheck, travel around the world, and die as a b-boy legend, right? But as you proceed to execute this master plan, you realize that
I can't move.
And that's because you got stuck. In this video, I'd like to share 2 powerful tips that turned out to be absolute game changers for me. It really helped me to see the entire messy creative process in a very positive way.
Samurai Champloo.
Every time you get stuck, the first thing that happens is disappointment. You end up thinking that you're not skilled enough or dope enough, and this can literally kill your mood. Matter of fact, to get stuck is actually a positive thing. It's an indication that you are trying something new, and that's why your brain gets frozen. Your brain has no clue what it should do next. So it's very important that you start seeing this entire phenomena of getting stuck as your friend and not your enemy. Basically, to put it in simpler terms, just think that every time you get stuck, you're simply growing as a b-boy.
Samurai Champloo.
Sometimes it gets difficult to create variations is because you don't know what you want to create. You're simply sitting there thinking that a variation will show up magically or accidentally, but sorry to say, things doesn't work that way. One good way to tackle this problem is to ask the right questions. Instead of diving into the process with the mindset of what can I create today, just ask yourself, what motions do I like? This little question will kickstart the engines of your brain to start painting pictures, visuals about motions that has captivated your interest starts popping up inside your head. It could be something that you might have seen in a video, or your homie being absolutely slick in the ciphers, or it could even be just your dog pooping, who knows. But the idea here is to get momentum with motions. Once you have something to play around with, this is where you understand the direction that you need to go, which is way better than at least sitting out there clueless thinking, what can I create today? I hope you guys liked that video. I'd really like to touch upon this subject wherein we start exchanging thoughts about how we should think rather than just what we should do, right? Feel free to start a conversation in the comments. That being said, special shout out to Intujan Kulesingam. Intujan, you have constantly requested me for tutorials, and finally I tried dropping one. I hope you like it, and thanks for pushing me, dude. Thanks. On that note, let me see what my next video will be. Till then, don't forget to wear your mask. That's me signing off. Peace.